So good morning dear cadets. So as you know, we are in the effects of electric currents. So the first effect of electric current already I taught, that is heating effect of electric current. So by taking the various example, it is proved that whenever electric current passes through a conductor, it produces heat, and that heat can be utilized for the good purposes, useful purposes. Okay. Similarly, just see, the magnetic effect of electric current is also useful for the humankind. How? Just see. So first let us have idea about the magnetic effect of electric current. This effect was first noticed by Hans Christian Ørsted. This is the name of scientist. Hans Christian Ørsted first noticed the magnetic effect of electric current. Actually, what is the magnetic effect of electric current? Try to understand. When electric current passes through a wire, it behaves like a magnet. This effect of electric current is known as magnetic effect of electric current. Okay, so try to understand. Whenever electric current passes through a wire or a conductor, so that conductor or wire behave like a magnet. What is the quality of magnet? What is the peculiarity of magnet? Magnet attracts the magnetic material. Okay, in the magnet how many poles are there? North pole, south poles are there, and those poles attract the magnetic material. So similarly, if conductor is having electricity, means electricity if passes through the conductor, so that conductor also behave like a magnet, and it will also attract the magnetic material. So this effect of electric current is known as magnetic effect of electric current. I will give you simple example. Everybody has seen the compass needle. Last year in the 6th class in A section I have shown you. Compass needle, have you seen or not? So the compass needle always rests in the south and north direction. Okay or not? But when you bring the magnet close to the compass needle, then what is there? That compass needle which has already set in north and south direction, that will deflect. Okay, deflection is there or not? As you move the magnet around it, same way that will also, needle of the compass will also move. Okay, so because of the presence of magnet, the needle position is disturbed. Okay or not? And now try to understand. Now do one thing. Okay, take one matchbox. Matchbox is there or not? Okay, in matchbox, means empty matchbox, you put magnetic needle inside the empty matchbox. Okay, around the matchbox wrap the wire, that is conductor wire. Okay, and with the source of current, like what are the source of current? Cell, battery. Okay, just you make one circuit. What you have to make? Circuit you have to make. So now when both end of wire touch with the source of current, that is battery or cell, then current will supply through the wires. Okay, and what you will see, the needle which is kept inside the matchbox, their needle show the deflection now. So earlier needle were showing the deflection because of magnet. Now magnet is not there. Simply you have supplied the electricity, and again needle has shown the deflection. It means what is there? The electric current which is supplied through the conductor, means that wire, that is also producing the effect which is equal to the magnet effect. That is only magnetic effect. Okay, you can do this activity at your home also. Only the thing is, you should have wire and source of current, that is battery. Okay, are you getting my point or not? Again I am telling you that the compass needle which you have kept inside the matchbox, when you supply electric current through that wires, so that needle shows deflection. Why? Because when you supply the electric current in that conductor or wire, magnetic effect is produced, and because of that magnetic effect, that compass needle shows the deflection. Okay, earlier same deflection it has shown when you kept close to the magnet. Okay, are you getting my point or not? Now for the better understanding, let us have some idea with the help of extra marks. Dear cadets, there is a disturbance in the extra marks, so I am not including and I am not taking the help of extra marks. Just try to understand. Remaining day I will explain that one. Just see. So let us continue with the electromagnetic effect of electric current only. So conductor which shows magnetic effect is now known as electromagnets. So try to understand. You have supplied the electricity. Because of the supply of electricity, that conductor is behaving like a magnet. So that conductor is now known as electromagnets. So this electromagnetism which is developed in the conductor, that remains until electricity is supplied through the conductor. Once the supply of electricity is stopped, electromagnetism will lose. Means electromagnetism will not be there. So conductor will lose the electromagnetism. So try to understand. Unlike a natural magnet which is having magnetism permanently forever, here what is there? Until unless you supply the electricity, until then only conductor will behave like a magnet. Once the supply of electricity is stopped, magnetism will also vanish. Next one important thing is, what are the applications of magnetic effect of electric current? Okay, where it is used. So try to understand. See, heap of garbage, have you seen or not? In some places like Delhi, metropolitan cities, what is there? There is a one dump yard. In that dump yard, all garbage are piled up. In those garbage, some magnetic material is there, some non-magnetic material is there. Okay, so try to understand. If we have got the strong electromagnet, and that electromagnet, if it is inserted in the heap of garbage, so whatever magnetic material are there, they will be attracted towards the electromagnet and they will be separated from the non-magnetic material. So that is second application in separation of magnetic material from the junk. Okay, garbage. In crane, you might have seen the crane. Crane is the machine which can lift the heavy weight. Okay, try to understand. So if in the tip of crane, what is there? Strong electromagnet is fit, then what would be there? Their heavy weight lifting capacity can be increased many-fold. Okay, so here also the application of electromagnetism is there. And see, there are so many big industries where lifting of heavy weight things is a difficult work. So cranes can be used, crane can be worked on the basis of principle of electromagnetism. Next one application is in removing magnetic material from eye, fallen accidentally. Try to understand. Small kids, they play with the toys, they play with the some other materials, and suppose accidentally some material has fallen on your eye, then what would be there? Now eyesight you may lose the eyesight, or you may have a lot of pain. So you will move to the doctor. Am I correct or not? So what doctor will do? Doctor will use one electromagnet. Okay, he will insert near your pupil. Okay, he will put that electromagnet. If the accidentally fallen substance is magnetic material, it will be attracted toward the electromagnet, and now your eye will be free from the harmful substance which has fallen on your eye accidentally. Am I correct or not? So these are the some of the application of electromagnetism in our daily life. In addition to this one, there is a variety of application of electromagnetism. Just see, toys industries. In toys industry, electromagnetism concept is very much used. Okay. In near future, the application of electromagnetism can be increased manyfold. Okay. So thanks to the Christian Ørsted, who discovered the electromagnetic effect of electric current. In general, means at your home also you can do this one. Just take one iron nail. Iron nail is there or not? Wrap around the iron nail wire. That layer should be manifold. Okay. Now two end of wire should be connected with the source of current. So in the iron nail magnetism will be developed. If now that iron nail come into contact of magnetic material, so it will attract the magnetic material. Means in the iron nail electromagnetism has developed, but remember that would be temporary. Until unless you supply the electricity, it will remain there. Once you stop the supply of electricity, electromagnetism, it will lose. Okay. So this is all about the electromagnetism or magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. So now in this way the duration of video is over. Now related some questions. So dear cadets, just note down the some questions. First one is question number 1. What is magnetic effect of electric current? Magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. Next question, who discovered, question number 2, who discovered magnetic effect of electric current? Magnetic effect of electric current. Who discovered? Okay. What are electromagnets? Next question. What are electromagnets? Okay. Question number 4. Write some useful write some benefits, like that, write some benefits of electromagnetism. Okay. Or magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Magnetic effect of electric current. Okay. So these are the 4 questions. I hope that you can complete it. Now since power cut is there, okay, means there is a disruption in the supply of electricity. That is why today I could not take the help of extra marks. Tomorrow whatever things, theoretical things I taught, with the help of animation again I will explain. By the time whatever I have explained, on the basis of that you write these questions. Thank you.